my name is Chanel, and today I'll be Chanel you guys up on this gorgeous, super exotic hair that I have on today. I am loving her, you guys. We're running into like fall. It just still kind of gives me a little bit of the summer vibes. One last time before the summer ends, right, you guys? I'm loving this hair. She is super, super gorgeous. If you guys would like to know more specs and deets about her, then just continue on watching. Also, be sure to hit the bell right next to the subscription button so you don't miss out on any videos like these. Alright, you guys, so this is like pretty much the traditional reviews that I usually do. We're not going to do too much chit chat, we're just going to go straight into it. So this amazing wig is by a company called Wiggins, and I had done a review on one of their wigs before. This time I've got it in a Brazilian texture. Like I said, yes, it is straight, and the color I do have is a 1B 613. So it did come in a 1B on the top like this, and of course a 613 at the end. So the length on this wig is 26 inches long. Yes, you guys, it is true to length, and this is a lace front wig, you guys, which means that you just pretty much getting lace from the front. For my girls that are new and do not know what lace fronts are, you're getting just lace in the front. Self-explanatory. The parting space is just fair enough. You're getting, what is it? So you're getting just about 3.5 inches of parting space, and then you run into some tracks. So the wig does come with 2 combs on the side and 1 big comb on the back, along with adjustable straps. One thing that I really noticed straight off from the back the first time I put on this wig, it is big head friendly. I did apply a stretchy band. I sewed it from ear to ear. When I have the wig on my head, it can just have more security, because I feel like even having the straps that's already installed in this wig to the tightest, it just felt like it could have been tighter. So this wig is definitely big head friendly for my girls out there. If you're looking for a wig that can fit you, this wig is definitely one of those wigs. Now, one thing that I can say about this texture, you guys, I am freaking in love. No, I'm really in love with this texture. This texture is super bomb, super out the roof. I felt like my other wig that I got from them was like a little bit thin, and this is really not, I don't want to say it's full, but it's not thin either. I feel like it's just somewhat in between. I love how this feels, y'all. One downfall that I did not like about this wig I wanted to share with you guys is the lace. Now, the lace color was not my forte. I did not like it. I tried to tint it, it went totally left. I never had that experience ever where I try to tint a lace and it goes totally left. The best way that I worked around it is I went ahead and cut out the lace, and I just applied my foundation color on it and set it with some foundation powder on top of the liquid foundation, if that makes any sense. Then I went ahead and locked it in with some freezing got-to-be spray. So that's exactly what I did there. But y'all, let me tell you, that lace color was so bad. It was so bad. It was, maybe Wiggins had a option where you guys can go ahead and pick out different type of shades of lace. Don't quote me on that, but definitely the link will be down below, so you can go ahead and check out if they offer one of those options where you can go ahead and choose out a different color lace. Now, do I feel like this wig is like more so an everyday wig? Yes, it is. For my girls out there is not a fan of like the big Jurassic colors, and by all means, you know, Wiggins do offer different type of colors, so I don't want you to feel as if, okay, this is definitely not my cup of tea, because this is definitely bomb quality hair still, and you just can just simply get it in a different color. I feel like for my girls out there that love these type of colors and you're not afraid to rock this out in everyday, it definitely could be an everyday wig. Same thing for the length. I'm not quite sure if I touched base on that, but you definitely can get it in a different length. If you are one that likes the texture, you can get the same wig in a different color and a different length as well. These are all different things that you can go ahead and modify for your very own wig. So I'll leave the link down below again in the description bar, you guys, and you guys can go ahead and browse around and make your very own custom wig. So right now at Wiggins.com, you guys can get this wig at the starting price of $177. The longer the length, the more money you will definitely be paying, and the shorter the length, the less money you will be paying. Now, for the wig that I have on right now, it's definitely going to be around the 300s, because I did get it in a 26 inches. Other than that, you guys, as far as quality, as far as the company wise, I love their professionalism. I love the fact that everything that you need is basically there. One thing I do like about Wiggins hair is that they do check up on you. As far as the shipping wise, you guys, 4 to 5 business days. They do offer expedited shipping for my girls out there. Now, as far as do they ship out worldwide, I'm pretty sure they do. Don't quote me though. I'm pretty sure I did see something on their site saying that they do, but don't quote me. Go ahead and click the link down below and, you know, browse around to see for sure. The packaging was super dope. They had everything that you needed and more in the box. I love Wiggins hair. I really do love them. I think they're a bomb company that a lot of companies out there gotta have to watch out for, because it's really hard to have some bomb quality hair, yet alone bomb quality hair that is blonde and not dry. So y'all, look at these ends. Look at how flowy, like, look how flowy this is. This is not dry, and this is styled, washed, co-washed, shampooed and everything. Like, y'all, I'm telling you, like, make sure you go ahead and click down below and get yours right now. So yeah, you can be out here slaying, sis. Make sure you guys go ahead and like, comment, and definitely subscribe if you haven't done so already. And like always, till next time.